Now we will create controller for the spine joint. So go to create nerve primitive, take a cube. Control G, create nerve, take a circle. Scale it. Now right click, control vertex, select these three vertex and these three and scale. Now go to object mode, right click object mode, select the mesh, create a new layer and hide it. Now select the circle, press V to snap it to the root joint. Select the root joint. Correct position is correct position. Now press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and move down and scale it. Right click, control vertex, select this point, shift select that point. Scale as shown. Right click, object mode, and snap it to the hip joint. So press V and snap it to the hip joint. Select the hip joint, select the hip controller. Now select the hip controller, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and move it to the spine 1. Press V to snap it to the spine 1. Display the character and C. Now hide the character. Again press Ctrl plus D and move it. This is spine 2, and select the nerve circle and press V to snap it to the spine 2 joint. Again press Ctrl plus D, press V to snap it to the spine 3 joint. Spine 3. Unhide the character. Now press Ctrl plus D, duplicate it and move it to the chest joint and press V to snap it to the chest joint and resize it. Right click, control vertex and select all the point, select the curve, go to control vertex, this point, shift select this point, shift select that point and scale it. Right click, go to object mode. Don't scale the controller, only scale the vertex. Now select the controller and snap it to the chest joint. Now press Ctrl plus D and move it up, scale, hide the mesh, press V to snap it to the neck joint. Again press Ctrl plus D and move it to the head joint, head joint 2, and press V to snap it, Ctrl G, press V to snap it to the head joint. Now press D or press insert key on Mac and press V to edit the pivot point and snap the pivot point to the head joint 1. Press D or insert key and see the pivot point is in the head joint 1. Now select all the controller, go to modify, freeze transformation. Now unhide the mesh. Now we are going to orient constrain all of this controller. So to constrain all of the controller to the joint, first select the controller, then shift select the joint. Go to constrain, open the orient constraint option. Reset the setting, click on the maintain offset checker box and click add result. This is called that the orient constraint is done. So do the same for all of the controller and the joint. First select the controller, Shift select the joint, go to constraint, orient constraint. First select the controller, Shift select the joint, go to constraint, orient constraint. Select the controller, Shift select the joint, orient constraint. Select the controller, Shift select the joint, orient constraint. Orient constraint. Select the controller, Shift select the joint, spine 1, go to constraint, orient constraint. For the main controller, root joint, root controller, sorry, I have forgotten to rename the controller. This is called head controller, head CTRL controller. This is called neck controller. This is called chest controller. This is called hip controller. This is called root controller. Spine 1 controller. Spine 02 controller. Spine 03 controller. Select the joint and see the result. We finished at the spine 1. Now select the controller, root spine joint controller. Shift select the root joint. This time we are going to do parent constraint. Go to constraint, parent. Click add parent constraint. Now select the hip controller, Shift select the hip joint, go to constraint, click orient constraint. Now we are going to parent all of the controller. So first select the head controller, Shift select the neck controller, press P to do regular parent. Now select neck controller, Shift select chest controller, press P. Again chest controller, Shift select spine 3, press P. Select the spine 3 controller, Shift select the spine 2, press P. Select the spine 2, Shift select spine 1, press P to do regular constraint, parent constraint. Now select the spine 1 controller, Shift select the root joint controller, press P. So don't make the wrong. First select the hip controller, shift select the root controller and press P. Again select all the controller and go to modify freeze transformation, and this is the end of the making spine control.